Red beans, also known as kidney beans, are a nutritious food that can provide numerous health benefits. Here are some of the key health benefits of red beans. Rich in fiber. Red beans are high in fiber, which helps regulate digestion and promotes heart health. Plant-based protein. Red beans are a great source of plant-based protein, making them ideal for vegetarians and vegans. Low in fat. Red beans are low in fat, making them a healthy option for those watching their fat intake. Antioxidant properties. Red beans contain antioxidants that help protect cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Essential nutrients. Red beans are a good source of essential nutrients such as iron, magnesium, and potassium. Blood sugar control. Red beans have a low glycemic index, which means they can help regulate blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. Heart health. The high fiber and potassium content in red beans can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Weight management. The high fiber and protein content in red beans can help promote feelings of fullness and support weight management. Digestive health. The fiber in red beans can help relieve constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Brain health. The folate in red beans is important for brain health and can help reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Incorporating red beans into your diet can offer many health benefits. Be sure to rinse and cook them properly to reduce the risk of food poisoning.